You've just put out your last cigarette. You might be thinking that nothing has changed, that it was just one less puff. But the truth is, in this exact moment, your body has already started repairing itself. Not tomorrow, not next week. Now stay with me. Because by the end of this video, you'll reach the moment when your body becomes almost identical to someone who has never smoked a single cigarette in their life. Let's start with the first few minutes. Within just 20 minutes of your last cigarette, your heart rate, which was artificially elevated, begins to slow down to its normal rhythm. Your blood pressure starts to drop, easing the strain on your arteries. At the same time, carbon monoxide, that toxic gas from cigarette smoke that robs your blood of oxygen, begins to leave your system. As it clears out, your oxygen levels start to rise, reaching every cell in your body more efficiently. It's as if your entire system is sighing in relief, saying, finally, I can breathe again. The World Health Organization confirms this incredible speed. The heart is the very first organ to respond to quitting, a testament to your body's incredible resilience and its will to heal. Now let's talk about your brain. In the first few hours, your brain starts a delicate process of rebalancing itself. For so long, it has been dependent on nicotine, and now it's learning to function without it. Within 2 to 3 days, as oxygen levels in your blood continue to rise, that precious oxygen reaches your brain cells more efficiently. The mental fog you might have mistaken for normal slowly starts to fade. Real, genuine concentration begins to return. You might have told yourself that cigarettes help you focus, that they clear your head. But that's the addiction talking, not science. A large medical study showed that former smokers consistently outperform active smokers in tests of attention and memory after just a few short weeks. The clarity you were chasing was there all along, just hidden behind the smoke. What about your lungs? After about 48 hours, your lungs begin the monumental task of cleaning themselves out. Think about the tiny, hair-like structures inside your lungs called cilia. For years, they've been paralyzed by the tar and chemicals and smoke, unable to do their job of sweeping out mucus and debris. Now they start moving again. They start waking up and clearing out the buildup. This is why some people experience a cough when they first quit. It's not a sign of getting sick. It's a sign of getting better. Your lungs are actively healing. Within a few weeks, you'll notice that breathing becomes deeper and easier. That nagging smoker's cough starts to decrease. Walking up a flight of stairs or chasing after your kids suddenly feels less like a struggle. You're not just getting more air, you're getting more life. And then there are your senses. After just a few days without smoking, your senses of taste and smell, which have been dulled for years, begin to wake up. Food starts to taste richer, more complex. Your morning coffee tastes stronger and more aromatic. Even a simple glass of water tastes different, cleaner. That persistent bad breath from smoking starts to fade, and your mouth feels cleaner and fresher. You see, you didn't lose pleasure when you quit smoking, you actually lost it while you were smoking. Quitting gives you back the simple, vibrant pleasures of the world that you'd forgotten. Let's look in the mirror. Smoking is a notorious thief of youth, stealing oxygen and collagen from your skin, leading to premature aging. But after you quit, the story changes. Blood flow improves, delivering vital nutrients and oxygen to your skin cells. Your complexion becomes brighter, and that dull grayish tone begins to disappear. Skin dryness decreases, and the formation of new wrinkles slows down. It's not an overnight miracle, but within a few weeks. Many people who quit hear one simple, powerful sentence from their friends and family: "You look healthier," and it's true. Because you are. Now let's touch on something crucial: your mental health and sleep. For the first few days, you might feel irritable or anxious. That's the nicotine withdrawal. But push through it. After about 2 to 4 weeks, something amazing happens. Your sleep becomes deeper and more restorative. The constant cycle of nicotine highs and lows that disrupted your rest is gone. As your brain chemistry stabilizes, anxiety begins to fade. Your overall mood becomes more stable. A well-known medical journal published a study with a fascinating finding. People who quit smoking consistently report less stress in their lives than those who continue to smoke. That feeling of calm you thought you got from a cigarette? It was an illusion. True calm doesn't come from a chemical. It comes from freedom. Let's discuss the elephant in the room: cancer risk. This is the honest truth. Smoking is directly linked to at least 15 different types of cancer: lungs, mouth, throat, bladder, pancreas, and more. It's a frightening reality. But here's the part of the story most people don't hear enough. The moment you quit, your risk begins to fall. It doesn't wait, it starts immediately. Year after year, your body works tirelessly to repair damaged cells and DNA. It's a slow but steady process of healing. Even if you've smoked for many years, quitting still dramatically reduces your risk and can save your life. Your body is fighting for you, and quitting is the most powerful weapon you can give it. So the big question, when do you finally become like a non-smoker? When is the damage undone? The timeline is a journey of milestones. Your body is fighting for you, and quitting is the most powerful weapon you can give it. So the big question, when do you finally become like a non-smoker? When is the damage undone? The timeline is a journey of milestones. After just 1 year of being smoke-free, your risk of heart disease drops by a staggering 50%. After 5 years, your risk of having a stroke falls to a level that is nearly the same as a non-smoker. And after 10 to 15 years, your body has healed so profoundly that your risk of lung cancer is cut in half, and your overall health profile behaves almost as if you never smoked at all. Think about that. Your body can essentially turn back the clock. Every single cigarette you don't smoke is one step closer to that incredible moment of restoration. So please don't ever tell yourself it's too late for me. Science, biology, and countless success stories all scream the same thing. It's not. The absolute best time to quit smoking was the day you started. The second best time? It's right now, this very moment. If this video spoke to you, if you feel that spark of hope, I want you to go to the comments and write, "I choose my body." Declare it. Own it. And if you know someone who needs to hear this message, please share this video.